channel. I changed a few settings on my GoPro. I'll go over them in a bit. At the moment, going over some railroad. At the moment, I'm headed down to Fontana to the Superior Court to pay off some traffic ticket that I got. Oh, if you guys watched the vlog where I shot the Civic Type R in Forest Falls, I ended up getting pulled over for hanging out the window of my car. But yeah, I'm headed down to Fontana. Hopefully take care of that ticket, and then I'll pick you guys up. Peace. It's raining. This sucks. Also, update, I made it to the courthouse. They wouldn't accept my proof of insurance from my cell phone, even though it clearly states on my information. So I had to run down to the library, and for some reason I couldn't access my my insurance cards. But thankfully I logged on to my email address, and my insurance agent emailed me my insurance cards. So I just printed them out. So now I'm headed back to the courthouse, hopefully take care of this. It sucks that it's raining because the plan was to adjust the suspension on my hatchback before I go race on Sunday. So hopefully I can still make it home, and even if it's dark, I just need to get under the car and just make sure that all the suspension is nice and tight, because I hear a clunk. But I guess we'll see what happens. Let me take care of this ticket first. Oh God, what a freaking headache. But I guess that's the price you pay when you try to take pictures from for roll shots. That's how I got this ticket. I was up in Forest Falls with Hector shooting his Type R, and I was hanging out of this car with my camera taking pictures, and we got pulled over. That vlog is I'll probably see if I can put a notation card thing here. I'm trying to figure out how to do YouTube, but I have a video of it when we got pulled over. But yeah, I guess that's the price you pay. It's $180 for no ticket. I mean, for no seatbelt. Whatever, it is what it is. Anyways, gotta head back home now. Hopefully the rain goes away and I can work on my hatch. It rained for like 30 minutes and Fontana is flooded. Ooh, this is scary because I'm driving my car and it's low and there's rain everywhere. Damn, look at that. Oh shoot. Oh. Damn. Maybe I should have drove my truck today. I didn't know it was gonna rain. Dude, look at that. What the hell? Made it home finally. It was raining. I think I'm still gonna work on the car. The ground doesn't look too wet, but yeah, I need to go inside and settle down real quick, but I might come out and work on my car. This is the turbo I plan to use on my coupe. If you guys watched, I think it's like the second to last video I did, I explained my plans for the coupe for this year on YouTube. I want to do a single cam turbo build, but I won't be able to get started on it till I hit 1K subs. Once I hit 1,000 subs, then I'll start to piece together the turbo kit on the coupe. And then my friend Ryan hooked me up with this exhaust. This is a Apex High World Sport 2. I'm going to go ahead and quiet down the hatch a little bit. I want to take it on longer drives and stuff, and it's kind of annoying right now because it's super loud. So I think this should do a good job. Box when I got this car cover, so I can take my car cover off and I can just cover it. I can come set it, put it away. What's cracking, guys? Today is Friday morning. I told my friend that we should drive our race cars to work, so hopefully I'll grab some footage of his car and it's a pretty cool car. So I'll see you guys at work. So I told you guys I was driving my race car to work. So is my buddy Dan. This is Del Sol. Dude, she's filthy. Come on, watch this. Watch this. Watch this right here. It's lunchtime here at work, so me and Dan are gonna head down to Zorba's. It's like up the street from work, so we're just gonna take a small cruise up there and have some lunch there, and I'll grab some footage of the cars rolling and stuff, or at least his car rolling. Got me a cheeseburger lettuce wrapped because try to be healthy sometimes. This is my homie Dan. Dan, this is the vlog. This is the Dan. And this is Dan's Del Sol. T37s, 6-piston, Willwood calipers. This thing is on air ride. This thing is cool as fuck, man. Make it do the thing. I'm gonna have Dan show you guys something super cool about his Del Sol. Check it out. Ready? Look at that. That's a B on me. Go away. Sick as fuck. So Dan's Del Sol has a fully functional trans top conversion that he did. That thing is cool as hell. And it's a nice day to roll with the top off too. It has 2,000 seats in here. You got them reupholstered. Came out pretty good. This car's taken a few trophies before at like hot import nights and a whole bunch of other car shows that we used to go to. Hopefully this year we go to more car shows and stuff. But yeah, this is Dan's Del Sol. This thing is cool. It's a B20 VTEC turbo. So not only does this thing look cool, but it also boogies. And then there's my car. Alright, well I'm gonna head back to the office. We gotta go back to work. I'll catch you guys when I get off work. I was gonna go to the exhaust shop to get my new muffler installed, but he told me he was too busy. So I'll probably just go Monday. But I noticed my... look at that, that looks nice. But I noticed my temperature needle was kind of getting warm, so I feel like there's still an air pocket in the cooling system. So I'm gonna be going out later tonight, but it's not till probably a few more hours. But I'm gonna spend this time and I'm gonna go ahead and try to bleed the system some more. I'm gonna get the funnel and see if we can get that bubble out. It's Saturday morning now. I was talking to Jose. He's the owner of Espinosa's Muffler. So I'm just gonna go in right now and have him weld up the new exhaust. Yesterday was just kind of like a whole bunch of things trying to go on at once. But yeah, so let's go get my exhaust installed. So I just got the exhaust done, and I'm really happy with the way the car sounds. It's super quiet. I used to be all about having a loud car, but man, I'm getting old. Like not really old, but like it just hurts my ears when I go on long drives, and it's not fun anymore. Especially with the Type R transmission. You know, going 80 miles an hour, I'm at like 4,500 RPM or something like that. It's ridiculous. And yeah, so I went for a quick little drive on the freeway, and the car sounds really nice. It's nice and quiet. I punch it and it opens up. Right now I'm gonna head down to DT Honda Motive to get my nitrous bottle filled up, so I could go ahead and do some passes at the drag strip tomorrow, and hopefully that vlog will be dope. I think this video is all over the place. I'm not entirely sure, but let's head down to Ontario, and then I'll figure it out later when I edit the video. Done that in so long. Hopefully I got it on camera. Holy shit. Got my nitrous bottle filled up. Shout out to Derek, always hooking it up, always taking care of me whenever it comes to this car. So I'm home. I just finished having some food. Hopefully the sun doesn't go down anytime soon, but I'm gonna go ahead and check the suspension, make sure everything is tight. I was supposed to film some stuff today, but it didn't happen. But yeah, I'm gonna take this time to check the suspension on the car, and then I'm going to wash the car and wash the engine bay. As you saw, I was bleeding the coolant, and it went all over the engine bay, and I don't want to go to tech tomorrow and not pass because I have coolant from, you know, trying to bleed the radiator. So I need to wash down the engine bay, and we'll be good for tomorrow. And I just got to get my tools together. So I washed the car. I checked this. Well, actually, I checked the suspension. I washed the car. Car feels good. I don't hear any noises anymore in the suspension. And the car's a lot quieter with the new exhaust, but I like it. But I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'll pick up a new vlog tomorrow when I'm at the track. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.